In this video, we are going to see how we can mute the background music or turn off the music on Roblox altogether or in a specific Roblox game. Is it possible? Let's find out. First of all, we are in the Roblox application. What we will do is just click on more on the left hand side. Once you click on that, you will find this settings gear icon. So once you go in there, you will not actually find any specific option related to the music or background settings of it, which means that when we start playing a game, let's say we want to play Please Donate, we play it, and as soon as the game is played, the music will automatically play with it. But we have some settings here. We will click on this Roblox icon on the left and we will go to the settings. Under here in the volume, we can turn this down, but we can see that it's about the volume and not the music, which means that any kind of other volumes in Roblox game will also be muted with the music. So this means that there is no specific separate option for that. The only way around is you just turn off the music from here in the specific game, but by just clicking on the Roblox menu. So this is the only option you can do. I know many people got frustrated by just seeing this in this video that you only have this one option, but that is how you can do it. There is no other way around, unfortunately, and that's the only way I believe I could guide you, because this is all the default option we get in Roblox. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.